Hello friends, welcome to my channel Tech HD. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can make a bootable pen drive for installing Windows in any PC or laptop. So let's start the video. So first of all we need to download Rufus. So you have to go to any browser and you have to type Rufus download. I will give the link on the description box. So from here you can download Rufus. So I have already downloaded it here. And then you need to download Windows 10 ISO file. So you can just type Windows 10 ISO file, click here. So it will take to the Microsoft website, so you can simply download here. So I'll make a video how to download ISO file. Now I have already downloaded here. So first of all we need to open Rufus. Then we have to connect a bootable pen drive. So we can connect here. So as you can see, we have successfully connected the pen drive, so it is showing on this Rufus. Now from here you have to select the ISO file. So from here you have to click select, and then you have to go to the address where we kept the ISO file. So we have kept the ISO file here. Now you have to select this file. Now from here you can choose the partition type. So I will keep GPT here. Now I'll keep as it is. Now I will have to click start. From here it will give you some customization of installing bootable pen drive. So I will keep as it is and I will click OK. Now it is giving us a warning that it will delete all the data of this pen drive, or it will format the pen drive. So I'll click OK here. Now you can see the operation has started. Now we have to wait for some time. So the operation has successfully finished and we have created a bootable pen drive for Windows 10. So let's check it whether it is perfectly made or not. So as you can see, it has successfully made a bootable pen drive. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.